To start to remove the fat from your liver, drink 1 cup of this a day. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's no way this is going to work, but it will make sense. One of the biggest factors towards fat on our liver is insulin resistance. And amongst the things that can counter insulin resistance, apple cider vinegar is fairly high on the list. So here's what you're going to do. Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to your water, and then a tablespoon of lemon juice or the juice of a freshly squeezed lemon. This is because lemons contain lemon and naringin, 2 compounds found to counter fatty liver disease. So you've got there the apple cider vinegar, which helps reduce the insulin resistance, and the compounds in the lemon, which help counteract the fatty liver disease. This puts your body in a state where it's able to start to break down some of that fat around the liver. Obviously, this needs to be in combination with a good quality diet and exercise too.